In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Etsy. This is really useful if you've moved countries, you want your prices to match your local bank account, or you simply prefer to manage your shop in a different currency. I'll walk you through each click on the Etsy website so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct Etsy account for the shop you want to edit. Once you're signed in, you can usually find the Shop Manager by clicking on your profile icon at the top right and choosing Shop Manager from the menu. This will bring you to your main seller dashboard, where you can manage orders, listings, and settings. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a column with different sections. Look for the option labeled Finances and click on it. This is where Etsy groups anything related to your payments, fees, and financial settings. After you click Finances, a menu of finance-related options will appear. From this list, choose Payment Settings. This page controls how you get paid and how your shop handles money. Within the Payment Settings section, find and click on the area labeled Currency. This is where Etsy keeps your shop currency controls. Here, you may see information about how your shop currency affects your listings and payouts. On this currency page, look for a link or line of text that says looking to change your shop currency and click on it. Etsy sometimes places this as a smaller link, so take a moment to scan the page carefully if you don't see it right away. Once you've clicked that, scroll down until you reach the section called Choose Shop Currency. This is the area where you'll actually update your shop's base currency. Take your time here, because this setting affects all of your listing prices. In this section, click on the currency you want to change to. You'll usually see a drop-down menu or a list of available currencies. Select the one that matches the country or currency you prefer to work in. Keep in mind that Etsy may automatically recalculate your existing listing prices based on current exchange rates, so you might want to double-check your prices afterward. Finally, once you've selected your new currency, click on Change Shop Currency to confirm. Etsy may ask you to review or confirm again, so just follow any on-screen prompts. After that, your shop currency will be updated, and you can review your listings to ensure everything looks correct.